So what does amicus curiae mean?
Amicus curiae is Latin for friend of the court. They are someone who is not a party to a case, who offers information that bears on the case, but that has not been solicited by any of the parties to assist a court. This may take the form of legal opinion or testimony, and is a way to introduce concerns ensuring that the possibly broad legal effects of a court decision will not depend solely on the parties directly involved in a case.
Basically, amicus curiae is someone that shares information with the court, usually in the form of an amicus curiae brief, to assist them in making a decision. Probably the most notable example of an amicus curiae brief was in 1987 in the Supreme Court case of Edwards v. Aguillard, in which the constitutionality of a law in Louisiana which required creationism be taught in public school alongside evolution. In support of Aguillard, 72 Nobel Prize-winning scientists, 17 state academies of science, and 7 other scientific organizations filed amicus curiae briefs in which described creation science as being composed of religious tenets.
Although the briefs may sound simple, there are a few rules that must be followed. The Supreme Court of the United States has special rules for amicus curiae briefs, covered generally by Supreme Court Rule number 37.
The rule states, in part, such a brief should cover relevant matter not dealt with by the parties which may be of considerable help. The cover of an amicus curiae brief must identify which party the brief is supporting, or if the brief supports only affirmance or reversal.
The court also requires that all non-government alumni identify those providing a monetary contribution to the preparation or submission of the brief. Briefs must also be prepared in booklet format, and 40 copies must be served with the court. Overall, amicus curiae briefs are pretty simple ways for the court to get information that may be important to a case from someone other than the two parties involved.